Good morning, students. In module 2, we discussed about properties of triangles. So what are the properties we proved? In a triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. And in a triangle, if two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. So we proved these two properties. Now, we will see what happens when two angles of a triangle are unequal, whether the sides which are opposite to them are also unequal. It means which side is greater. If two angles are unequal, the sides which are opposite to them, they are also unequal. If they are, which side is greater side? So for all these questions, we will answer in the form of theorems. Let us prove this theorem. See, here in a triangle, if two sides are unequal, then the angle which is opposite to greater side is greater. Okay, children? If two sides are unequal means what? They are not in the same length. So, one side is more than the other side or one side is less than the other side. We will take like that. Suppose see, if we take ABC is a triangle. Here, suppose consider AC side is greater than AB side. So, two sides are unequal means here we consider as AC side is more than AB side. Okay. Then what we have to prove? The angle which is opposite to greater side. Here which side is greater? AC side. What is the angle? Which angle is opposite to this AC side? Angle B. So angle B we have to prove greater angle than which side is less than AB. What is the angle to opposite to this AB? Angle C. So we need to prove angle B is greater than angle C. Angle B is the opposite side angle of AC. Angle C is opposite of this AB. So what we have to prove, children? We have to prove angle B is greater than angle C. Okay. So for this proof, we need a construction. What is the construction is? See, we take a point D on AC such that this AB and this AD lengths are equal. So what is the construction? Take a point D on AC such that AB is equal to AD. Okay. Then join B to D. See, I am joining B to D. So this is our construction. Is it clear? Now see how you have to prove. Now take this ABD triangle. What you observed in this triangle ABD? We observed that these two sides are equal. So what are the sides are equal? How you got these two sides are equal, children? By our construction. We constructed as this point D on AC such that this AB and AD are equal in length. Okay. So for easy convenient, I mark these angles are, this angle is 1, this is angle 2 and mark this angle is 3. Okay, for writing easily. See, I marked this ABD angle as 1 and this ADB angle as angle 2 and this ACB angle as 3. Okay, I marked like that. Now, we know that in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then what? Their opposite angles are equal. We proved in the module 2. See, if in this triangle ABD, here by construction we got AB and AD are equal. Then what are the opposite angles? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. See, put this is equation 1. Is it clear, children? How the angle 1 and angle 2, their opposite sides are equal by construction. Now, if we take triangle BDC, see, this triangle you take. Now I am producing this CD to A if I produce this CD, then I got this exterior angle. See here, angle 2 is the exterior angle of this triangle BDC. So angle 2 is the exterior angle of triangle BDC. This is exterior angle. Okay. See, this angle 2 is the exterior angle of this triangle BDC. We know that exterior angle property. What is the exterior angle property, children? The exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Okay. What is the exterior angle property? The exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. It means the exterior angle is greater than each of the interior opposite angles. So it means, can we write this angle 2, is it greater than angle 3? By using that property. See, this is exterior angle, this is the interior opposite angle. So this exterior angle is greater than each one of the interior opposite angles. So angle 2 is greater than angle 3. And this one you put as 2. Now, see, from 1 and 2, what I can write? From 1 and 2 equations. See, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Angle 2 is greater than 3 means, can I write angle 1 is also greater than angle 3? Because angle 2 and angle 1 are equal. If angle 2 is greater than angle 3, if angle 1 and angle 2 are equal means, we can also write angle 1 is also greater than angle 3. Now see, here this angle is angle 1. Observe this diagram. Angle 1 is the part of this angle ABC. Angle 1 is the, see children, angle 1 is the part of angle ABC. It is a part of angle ABC. Okay. So we know that whole part is greater than this part. Okay. Whole is greater than each part. See, angle 1 is less than this angle ABC. It means angle ABC is greater than, this is the full part. Angle ABC is greater than angle 1. Okay. Now, and this one you put equation 3 and this is equation 4. We can write it as, from 3 and 4 what I can write? Here 1 is more than angle 3. Angle ABC is greater than angle 1. I can write angle ABC is greater than angle 3 also. But what is 3? It means what is, which name it is angle 3 I marked as? Here this is angle ACB. So angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. So it means angle B is greater than angle C. What we have to prove? Is it clear, children? So in a triangle, if two sides are unequal, then the angle which is opposite to greater side is greater. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now we will prove converse of this statement. What is the converse of this statement, children? Here we take, in this two sides are unequal. Now we will take two angles are unequal. Okay. In a triangle, if two angles are unequal, then what? The side which is opposite to greater angle is greater. Then the side which is opposite to greater angle, which is opposite to greater angle, which is opposite to greater angle is greater. Is it clear, children? In a triangle, if two angles are unequal, then the side which is opposite to greater angle is greater. So which angle is greater? That opposite side only greater. Okay. Now see, if I take ABC is a triangle. See, now you consider angle B is greater than angle C. Suppose take this, angle B is greater than angle C. Two angles are unequal. So I am taking angle B is greater than angle C. Now what I have to prove? What is the side? Which side is opposite to this greater angle? AC side. See, angle B is greater angle. The side which is opposite to is AC side. So, we have to prove AC is greater than AB side. See, AB is opposite to angle C. Okay. Now, so we have three possibilities are there. Okay. We have three possibilities. What are those three possibilities? Either AC is equal to AB, or AC is less than AB, or AC is greater than AB. You will get, these are the three possibilities. Okay, any one of these three possibilities you will get true. Suppose if we take AC is equal to AB, children. First condition. If I take AC is equal to AB, according to properties of triangle, if in a triangle if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. So here you will get AC opposite angle is B, AB opposite angle is C. Here you will get angle B is equal to angle C, children. But see, according to given what we have, angle B is greater than angle C. But here what we got, angle B and angle C are equal. So this is contradiction to our given part. See, contradiction means wrong. So what we will get here, angle B and angle C are, we got equal. But according to this given, it is not equal. They are not equal. So this condition is false. So these two sides are not equal. Now if I take this AC is less than AB. According to previous theorem, see which side is greater, that opposite angle only greater. Here AC is less than AB means, AC is less than AB means AC opposite angle only lesser. See, what is AC opposite angle? B. Angle B is less than angle C. But according to our given, B is more than angle C. So this is also contradiction to our given part. Okay, so this condition also false. Now only the left condition is AC is greater than AB. Okay, see, according to previous theorem, AC is more means the opposite angle only greater. So what is the AC opposite angle? B. So angle B is greater than angle C you will get. So according to this possibilities, which condition is true? AC is greater than AB. If angle B is greater than angle C means the side which is opposite to greater angle, that is only greater side. Is it clear, children? I hope you all understood this module. Thank you very much.